Okay, good morning everyone. This is my new purchase, Bladeless neck fan. We are going to Six Flags Over Texas in Dallas tomorrow, or I should say Arlington tomorrow. And I wanted something to keep me cool in this 104-degree Texas weather. And I'm hoping this is gonna work out. It comes with the fan, little manual, and a little charger. The settings are low, medium, and high. On the low setting, it lasts anywhere between 7 hours or less. And then the high setting, 3 hours. That's the low setting. I don't know if you can hear that. Medium. High. It doesn't sound too loud to me. Sounds pretty good. I can even feel the air from here. It feels great. I'm real happy with the product, and I'll tell you that this is going to be definitely better than facing that 104-degree weather tomorrow with absolutely nothing. Okay, here's a video of the fan plugged in. You'll know it's plugged in if you see that little light right here blinking. So it's charging. Ready for me to go.